Oh, if someone taps on it in the hidden WhatsApp feature, and that is, can you get more viewers from status? Okay. Have you ever wanted to create a real cool WhatsApp status that surprise your friends and get more viewers? Yeah, I was just playing around with WhatsApp status and I found this really fun trick. Take a look at this photo. Wow. If someone taps on it, something unexpected happens. A reaction emoji suddenly appear on the screen. The cool part is that you can customize the emoji to watch your photo. For example, if you eating chicken, you can use a chicken emoji. If you are feeling sad, you can use a sad face emoji. You can choose almost any emoji you want. Yeah, and now let me show you how to make it. First, open WhatsApp status as usual, like this, you know. Open WhatsApp status like usual. You can choose the text or photo, but choose the photo you want to upload. This trick only work with photos, okay? Maybe I choose this one. After that, tap the sticker button and select reaction. Tap first and choose select reaction. You have to tap this reaction, and now you can choose what happened with your photo, like you are sad, you are happy, you are crying, or babies or chicken. Maybe I choose the confused face. Okay, tap to change, tap this one, the plus icon, to change your emoticon. And yeah, I choose the confused face. Okay, this one, and tap done. You can custom zoom out, zoom in, like that. After that, go back to stickers and choose a photo. Go back the sticker, okay, and choose the photo. Select the same photo again and place it over the reaction sticker. Then resize the photo until it covers the emoji. Select it and you can resize. Nah, like this. Okay. Now the last tutorial is add some text to make people curious. Like for example, tap my face. What happened? Try it. Tap my face. Okay. Tap my face. Punch. Okay. Then upload the status. Yeah. When your friends view the status and tap the photo, the hidden reaction emoji will appear. It looks really fun and makes people curious about your status. Okay, let's try it. Wow, very very fun. Maybe next time your friend won't skip your status because they'll be excited to see what you've posted. That is for this tutorial. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Wow, very very fun, guys. Yeah, amazing.